Welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to talk about one of the most important concepts in Google Analytics, and that is UTM parameters. So when you are building links and when you are promoting the links, you can add it with something called UTM parameters, which are parameters on the URL itself, which helps you to track the source, medium, and campaign name. In the previous video, we have talked about attribution. So UTM parameters are the one which helps in attribution a lot. So first, let's look at why it is called UTM parameters. So UTM is nothing but Urchin Tracking Module. Urchin Tracking Module. Okay. And before Google Analytics was created, this software was called Urchin software. So here you can see it was called Urchin software, and Urchin Software Corp was acquired by Google in April 2005, forming Google Analytics. So the truth about Google Analytics is that Google Analytics was not built from scratch. Google acquired this analytics software program and Google built Google Analytics on top of it. So because it was called Urchin, UTM is called Urchin Tracking Module and the name never changed. So it is still called UTM parameters or UTM builders. So to put this in action, so what you need to do is that you can go and search for something like UTM builder. I'll search UTM builder, or you can even search UTM links. But I'll go with UTM builder because if I type UTM builder, it is the first link which I need. So it is called campaign URL builder. So when you are promoting certain links to your website from different source of traffic such as paid advertising or Facebook or Twitter, it is advisable to build UTM parameters into the link. So building UTM parameter is very simple. All you need to do is that just paste the URL that you are going to promote on in this field. Okay. So I'll copy one of the link from my website. So bestcomputerchairs.in, and let's say I want to promote best PC gaming chairs. So I'll just copy this link and I'll go to campaign URL builder and I'll paste it here. So this is the link which I want to promote. So I want to promote different traffic medium. So campaign source will be different kind of source like social media or paid ad from Google AdWords, email. So I am just going to add campaign source as social, and campaign medium which can be Facebook, and campaign name would be best PC chairs. Okay, PPC. And these two are optional. So if you want, you can put, but it is not required. So now, as you can see, the data I have added here has been attached to the link here. So you can just copy this link and share on your Facebook, or you can even convert this URL into a short URL. Okay. So this is a link which I wanted to share on Facebook, but what if I want to share on Twitter? So here I need to change it to Twitter. So here you can see this UTM medium has been changed to Twitter. Similarly, you can add various social media name here and just go ahead and copy the link and paste it in their respective social media. And if you want to share it in an email, so in Medium, you can just write email, and for campaign source, you can write subscriber, and the campaign name would be same. And then you can send email newsletter to your subscriber having the link in it. And if you want to share it on Google ads like PPC ads or display advertisement, you can just write here paid in campaign source, and the medium can be SERP, means search engine result pages. Or if you want to share it on display network, so you can write display. So whatever data you write here, it is attached to this link and you can share this link. And then you can check the report in Google Analytics. So let's go on Google Analytics. and you can click on acquisition. And if you click on overview, sorry, you need to click on campaign, and here you need to click on all campaign. So right now I am not promoting this URL, so I cannot see any result. But if you share the link of your website, so here is the result you will be looking at. Like if you can click on source, so it will give you the data according to it. If you click on medium, it will give the data according to it, and even you can add secondary dimension. Okay, so users, browser, city, you can check from which city your users are looking at your URL. So this is how you can use UTM parameters, and this is how UTM parameters work. So this is it for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next video.